Hello, good morning, good afternoon, how are you doing? Anywhere you are listening to me, I send my greeting to you. I'm Kat Turner, and today we are diving into something I know a lot of you dream about, starting a real, honest-to-goodness online business. And we're going to break down how you can do it, step by step, with absolutely zero capital. Yep, you heard me right, $0.
Okay, let's be real for a second. The whole idea of starting a business, it just sounds expensive, doesn't it? You see all those flashy ads, and you immediately think you need a ton of cash for a website, for fancy software, for a big marketing budget. It feels like this giant wall, and honestly, for most people, it's the reason they never even try.
But what if I told you that whole money thing, it's not the real barrier? The big mindset shift you need to make, starting right now, is this. You don't need money to start. What you need is to provide value. If you can solve a problem for someone, if you can help them save time or make more money, you have a business. It's really that simple. That's the secret sauce.
So how do we actually do this? Let's get into the blueprint. We're going to break this down into a simple, actionable plan that you can literally start following the second this is over. First up, let's look at the different paths you can take.
Okay, check this out. We've got 3 super beginner-friendly ways to get started. You could start freelancing, offering a skill like writing or design. Or you could try affiliate marketing, where you basically get a commission for recommending products you like, or you could become a content creator on a platform like YouTube or TikTok. And get this, every single one of these costs exactly $0 to start.
Now lean in for this one, because this is probably the most important piece of advice you'll hear today. It's so tempting to want to do everything, right? Start a blog, a YouTube channel, and a freelancing gig all at once. But trust me, that's the fastest way to get overwhelmed and just quit. The key is to pick one, just one, master it, get it going, and then you can think about adding more.
But maybe you're thinking, Kat, I don't have a skill. No problem. Here's the fast method. Just choose something simple that businesses need, like basic video editing or whipping up social media posts. Then just spend a day or two on YouTube. Seriously, you can learn the fundamentals that quickly. The goal isn't to be the world's leading expert overnight. It's just to be good enough to start helping people.
Okay, you've got your skill picked out. Awesome. Now we need to package it up into an offer, something that people will actually want to buy. And we're going to build that offer using a toolkit that is 100% free.
Seriously, forget about shelling out hundreds of dollars for fancy software. Just look at this list. You can create stunning professional designs with Canva. You can write amazing stuff with Google Docs. You can edit slick videos with CapCut. You can even brainstorm killer ideas with ChatGPT. These are powerhouse tools, and they won't cost you a dime.
Okay, pay attention here, because this is where so many people go wrong. Don't just say, I can design. It's vague, right? Nobody knows what that means. Instead, get specific. I will design 3 professional Instagram posts for your business in 24 hours. See the difference? That's a real offer. It's clear, it's specific, and it tells the client exactly the value they're going to get. All right, you've got your skill, you've got this killer offer. Now for the million-dollar question, where are the clients? You know, the people who are actually going to pay you? Let's dive into where you can find them, completely for free.
It's actually way simpler than you think. You don't have to go searching high and low for clients. You just go to the places where they're already hanging out. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork were literally built for this. You can also find amazing opportunities in Facebook groups related to your skill, or by making connections on LinkedIn. The clients are already there. You just need to show up.
And you don't need to be some kind of sales genius either. Forget those long, complicated pitches. Just keep it simple and direct. Find someone asking for help and send them a message just like this one. It's polite, it's confident, and it gets right to the point. You can literally copy and paste this and start using it today.
So you did it. You landed your first client. That's huge. But how do you turn that one gig into a real sustainable business? You build momentum. It's a simple formula. Deliver the work fast, make sure the quality is top-notch, and maybe throw in a little something extra to really wow them. That's how you get those 5-star reviews, and even better, referrals for more clients.
We've gone through a lot of the how-to, but before we wrap up, I need you to listen closely. Because I need to talk about the one thing, the only mistake that you absolutely have to avoid. This is the thing that stops most people right in their tracks before they even get a chance to succeed.
This is it, right here on this slide. This is the whole ballgame. The biggest difference between someone who makes it and someone who stays stuck dreaming about it. The mistake is waiting. Waiting for the perfect website, the perfect logo, the perfect moment. That moment is never going to come. The solution? You just need to start. Right now, with what you have.
So let me just get this crystal clear. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need a single dollar of investment. You don't need to know everything. The only thing you truly need to do is to take that first tiny step. Create that Fiverr profile, send that one message, learn that one skill. Just start.
So I'm going to leave you with this one question. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. What is the one action you are going to take to get this ball rolling? The opportunity out there in the digital world has never, ever been bigger. Thanks so much for joining me. Now go out there and build something real.